Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Wing Chun training session. It is Two Arm Chi Sao, and it's how to use a Fook Sao to take a trap. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day. Okay, moving on, our third technique, we're just going to take the trap from the opposite rotation. So we did it from the Bong Sao, now we're going to take it from the Fook Sao. So again, from Luk Sao, we're here. And now I've got to shift my stance and step because I need to get off the line to take this trap. So what I'm going to do is I'm driving my elbow across and pinning here as I step off to the side. So moving here, my Fook Sao is coming into Gansao. So here you can use your chair turn, straight punch, or back fist. So again, I blade a little bit, take my trap. This is pinning in, take my strike. So maybe we do on this side. This is a different angle. So again, from here, I'm moving with my body to take the trap and strike. So it's going from Fook Sao to Gong Sao to take a trap.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.